Welcome to Lead Tech Analytics. So in today's class, we will be looking at the concat linking of two cells together. Linking of two cells together. So we delete this so that we make use of it. So now I have my surname here and my first name in two different columns, in two separate columns. I want to combine the two of them together. I want to combine it, the two cells. So instead of coming here to copy and writing down here, so all I have to do is I'll come to this place, my equal to sign, then type concat, concat. I open my bracket, this, comma, and this one. I'll close it. You see it has automatically added the two names together. One may say for these names that are added together, these names that are added, these names that are added together, let me delete this so that you understand what we're saying. There is no space. There are no space between them. So okay, to add the space, we use the amber sign. The amber is this sign. This is the amber sign. The amber with apostrophe. So that is what we use to add space. So how do we use it? Equal to concat. I open my bracket, Abdul. So all I'll do, I'll put my amber sign, put this, put the number of, click on space, the space bar. I'll click on the space bar to put the number of spaces I want. I want one or two or three, depending on how I want it. Okay, so let's put two spaces. I close it. I put my amber. I put my amber. Remember, this is for this. So I might as well put a column. So now the next one is flower. I close the bracket and tap on enter. You see it has added the space. So why it is showing us this comma, if we don't want the comma, we can choose to remove it. Why it's showing us this comma is in our function we included the comma. So we remove it by equal to, just the same thing, but we remove the comma there. Concat, open bracket, Abdul, our amber sign, open bracket, add the number of spaces you want. Okay, this one, let's say we want three spaces. We've included three spaces. Close it, put our amber sign, click on our amber sign, lower, You see, it has removed the comma. So that is how it is being done. So if now there are two more spaces between this, I can choose to trim. If I don't want this space, if I just want it to be normal spaces, there are two more spaces between the Abdul and Lawal. I can choose to, and if there are irregularities or spaces, maybe let's say here, we have more space, that we don't want, we can say equal to, we can use equal to. So the function we use for it is trim. Trim. We open bracket, want to trim this cell, you close it, you click on enter. You see it has trimmed it. It has trimmed it to a single space. It has trimmed it to single space. So that is how we use our trim.